Welcome to our YouTube video on subtractive manufacturing. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what subtractive manufacturing means in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Subtractive manufacturing is a process in which material is removed from a solid block or workpiece to create a desired shape or product. This is typically done using cutting, drilling, milling, or grinding tools. Think of subtractive manufacturing like sculpting from a block of stone. You remove excess material until only the final shape remains. So, why is subtractive manufacturing so important? Because it delivers high precision, supports strong and durable parts, is widely used across industries, and remains essential for many applications where tight tolerances are critical. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.